Welcome to our next tutorial on Java. Today, in this tutorial, we'll concentrate on operators. Operators. What is operator and how many types we'll see in detail. Any symbol that performs an operation will be called as operator. Any symbol that performs any operation that we call as an operator. So here again there are two words. One is operator, other word as operand. There are two words. First one is simple, very simple. It's an operator. So simple words, any symbol that performs an operation will be called as operators. Then operand. What is operand? The values on which operations are performed are called as operands. Like a simple example I will show you here. Is B. This is one. So in this here, this is plus symbol is equal to operator. Means using this operator I will do some operation, that is addition I am doing. Here A comma B are operands. Means in that word itself it is the C. What just I told on the top. Operators, any symbol that performs some operation. So plus symbol it is doing some operation here. Because of that I am saying that is operator. A comma B's. A comma B's, which are operations are performed values. These operations are performed in a values. So because of that it says an operands. So this is two types. So here again there are different types are there based on operands, based on operators. There are different types are there. If first we'll go with based on operands. If I go with the based on operands, there are three types of operations are there. That is, first is unary operations, second is binary, last but not least it is the tertiary. So there are three types of operands based on operands. Sorry, three types of operators based on operands, that is unary, binary, tertiary. So what is the meaning of each? Those, first of all, unary operations will perform operations on single operand. It's on a single operand. Only one operation, using one operand, that is in a single word, that we can say as a unary operands. And the second, binary. This will perform operations using two operands. Using two operands, this will perform an operations. Then last, these operands will be performed operations, perform operators on three. Using three operands it will do this. So it's a unary is 1, binary is 2, tertiary is 3. These operators based on operands. But now we'll see other way. Based on the task is performed, the operators are classified into different categories. So there are again different categories of this. First one in this, arithmetic, unary, unary, assignment, relational, logical, next is the bitwise, Next, conditional. Next is a new operators. New operator. The last is the dot operator. So totally there are 9 different operators are there. One is the arithmetic, second one is a unary, third one is an assignment, fourth one is relational, next one is a logical, next is a bitwise, conditional, new operators. So in our coming session, coming videos, we'll see each what will do, each operator will what will do, what are the how it will involve, everything we can discuss in detail. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.